out when we've got some others that aren't. Looks like he's maybe a little bit of a flicker of flame underneath. We'll have to get the bonnet up. And the fireys will be straight onto it. Lots of green. Tells us that the coolant is certainly spilling out from the cooling system. All right, now, while Lockie gets himself sorted, come on, grandstand. I think you can do better than the last time. Are you ready? Once again, we'll go to the countdown, and I need you to really put some effort in this time. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go, grandstand. You can do better. Let's move it along. Nice work. Right through the middle gets nice and strong. And down to the